there guys. Okay, so last video I was cleaning the GPU, this one, which is this one. So now we're going to put it into the system. By the way, we're going to use extension known as a riser, which is this right here, this one. USB cable, the connection, the PCI connector, the riser itself, and I'm going to use this is called power cable splitter. The reason I'm using this is because I don't want to use the conventional SATA to PCIe cable, because that would make the cable behind clutter, which is this one. I don't want to use this one because it will make the cable management looks clutter. So I'm going to use PCIe, not PCIe, power cable splitter, so that the cable management will be much more tidy. So let's try it out. First of all, you have to turn off your system, shut down your system before you can put it in or check out a GPU. So power down. So basically, we need the riser itself. Like so. But I want to put in the cables first. So okay, so that's so. Another thing is, because my frame is unusual frame, so I'm using zip ties to zip the GPU onto the frame. It seems I stumbled upon a problem. Mm, as you can see, this connector, it looks very, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. If you look at this, it doesn't fit. So I think I have to change into a different riser. But in any case, let's try it out first. Power button, no. The system wouldn't switch on. So I think I have to change the connector. Right, so I changed the connector into spare ones, spare connectors that I have. So let's try it out. Power button, nope, it won't start. Something is very wrong here. It didn't work. You cannot put more than 3 GPUs onto the system. I tried it. I tried any way that I can think of. Um, Now the system won't even boot up anymore. You have to let it cool down, shut the power, the PSU power, let it um let it relax a bit. Uh, I tried to pull the battery CMOS, the motherboard battery, pull out, put it back in. Nope, it doesn't boot up. So I'll let it cool for a bit, for a while. Try again later. All right. So this is the best. Maybe some of you might know how to fix this problem. Let me know in comments below. In any case, this is an experiment or an experiment on putting more GPUs, but didn't work. So thanks for watching, guys, and take care.